Hi, Don here. I wanted to give a review on this Rayqueen 52-inch black ceiling fan with light and remote. It comes in a modern black design. The black finish gives it a clean, modern, fresh look that can match a lot of room styles. It has a built-in LED light and the fan all in one. And this is useful if you want airflow and room lighting from the same fixture. It has a three-color temperature lighting. This is bright. Let's see. That's bright, dimmer, and then a warm light. You can distinguish between the three to set the mood of the room. The remote control is included. It comes with a bracket that you can put on the wall next to your light switch, but I prefer to have it on my coffee table. That way I don't have to get up to adjust it. It has 6 speeds, from 1 through 6. This is 1. This is 2. Oh, sorry, that's 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you'll notice it's really quiet. I'm going to turn it back down to 1. It has a reversible DC motor for changing the airflow direction depending on the season. Usually downward airflow for cooling and reverse airflow to help circulate warm air. It's energy efficient because it's a DC motor, and they're often quieter and more efficient than traditional fan motors, which is a good feature for this fan. You can use it indoor or outdoor, covered, like things like patios, garages, or porch. And it's just a nice all-around fan. You can adjust the settings to automatically shut off after an hour, 3 hours to 6 hours. And it's just, it's been a great fan. I've had it installed for a couple of years now. I didn't really have any issues installing it. I do want to point out, if you do install it, make sure you put the blades on, all of the blades on, before you put the fan on the ceiling, because it's easier to put them on while it's stationary than this. I didn't put all the blades on initially. I had a couple that I left off, and I put them on up when I hung the fan, and that didn't work out too good because it just kept turning on me. So make sure you put the blades on before you hang the fan. All in all, it's been a great fan. I hope this review was informative for you, and thanks for watching.